This is a song from a person whose family is a little and annoying, but he doesn't. A little boy who doesn't know how to cry wanders through life with no fixed path to take. He has many friends, but a few annoying ones. He would like to silence them in the blink of an eye, but he doesn't care. He's free as a seagull. A family breakup isn't a scratch and nothing more. He has a determined heart. He's afraid of the dark, just that and nothing more. He doesn't care, free as a seagull. His father tells him, son, come here, forget it, I'll solve it. He doesn't care, because he's as free as a seagull, seagull, seagull. He has no idea what to wish for on his birthday or Christmas, but it doesn't matter. He has a blocked nostril, but it doesn't matter, because he's as free as a seagull. Free as a seagull. He doesn't know what to do at school, but that really doesn't matter to him. One day he got tired of everything and rebelled against everyone. He had no compassion because he was fed up. Everyone understood him, but they were offended. A great lesson. Don't hold back with everything. Take your feelings out once and not later. And the best thing of all is that he never tires of waiting. Many people judge him, but in the end, he doesn't care. Free as a seagull on a remote island. He doesn't care.